Hi pencil coders. In this video we're going to look at some more advanced examples of using keyboard input to control the turtle. And then by the end of the video we're even going to see a simple game using the keyboard as input. So let's press start on this lesson. The first example I want to show you is going to first use a for loop to draw 5 horizontal lines to be a musical staff. Then, in a forever loop, we're going to check for the buttons 1 through 8 to be pressed, and we're going to play a different musical note depending on which one is pressed. So let's see what happens. We press play, and there's our musical staff, and now I'm going to press the number keys from 1 to 8 to play music notes. So, not a lot of code here, but we got a pretty interesting interactive example. Let's look at our next example. This one is going to be a great building block for a game. So we set a variable for the turtle's speed to be 10, and we're going to use this variable later to move the turtle. Then, in a forever loop, we check for the up arrow key, the right arrow key, the down arrow key, and the left arrow key. So obviously we're going to be telling the turtle to move in one of those 4 directions. So whenever up is pressed, we tell the turtle to turn to 0. Turn to takes a number that represents a direction on the grid over here. So 0 corresponds to up, 90 corresponds to right, 180 corresponds to down, and 270 corresponds to left. And so then we're going to tell the turtle to move forward however much we set speed to be, in this case 10. So it's going to move forward 10 in the direction that it's facing. So let's see how this works. So we hit play, nothing's happening now, but as soon as I hit the up arrow, the turtle shoots off. And then I can do all of the other directions to make the turtle move as well. Even diagonals work. So the turtle is really booking it across the screen. And I hope you can see that this is a really great input for a typical game. In fact, we have a simple game. And this game starts off, it uses the same exact program that we just had to control our turtle. But additionally, we have a new turtle, which we set to blue, and their name is Alex. So we set Alex's speed to 10, and then in a forever loop, we tell Alex to make a right turn of some random degree from 0 to 90, and then we tell Alex to move forward some random distance from 0 to 50. So Alex will be moving in random circles across the screen. Finally, we have another forever loop that's going to check if our turtle, the green one, touches Alex. And if the 2 turtles do touch, we're going to draw an orange dot onto the screen. So let's see exactly what this game is like. So there goes Alex. And we can control our turtle, and whenever they collide, little orange dots are drawn. So you could imagine the objective of this game is to fill up as much of the screen with orange dots as possible. And the longer you play, the more of the screen hopefully you've covered. So we made a pretty interesting game, and it took less than 25 lines of code. Hopefully you can see how using the keyboard as input for the turtle can lead to really interesting games that'll be a lot of fun to play. So let's see what you make on your own.